Hello everyone, welcome back into a Thursday night edition of Weather. Mike Schultz with you once again, and it was another great day. Lots of sunshine. Streets are melting. Well, not the streets, but the ice on the streets are melting, and it's getting us a lot of water out there. In fact, if you haven't got your container filled up for your windshield wipers, you might want to think about doing that, because it's going to be that way for the next couple of days. What we're going to talk about tonight in weather, quite a few things. First of all, it's a beautiful evening, and more auroras are possible. We had them out last night again. And as far as the forecast for more clouds, but continued mild temperatures tomorrow. And then again, like I was talking about last night, the off and on rain and snow is possible through Sunday, but we're going to be optimistic and say it's not going to interfere with any of the Easter sunrise services. Your numbers look like this: 43 for the high today. The low last night was 8. The record high 56 in 1915, down to 38 below in 1935. Sunrise and sunset, about 12 hours and 47 minutes of daylight, a gain of 7 minutes from yesterday. And the satellite and radar showing that most of the activity going on over the south and western sections of the state. As you can see here, nothing going on over the interior whatsoever, and also across much of southeast Alaska, and that shows up on our big map here. As you can see around the southeastern sections, just a few scattered showers at Juneau and Ketchikan because of the orographic features going on there. Nice day in Anchorage, even though they had some showers, 50 degrees there. Around the Kodiak region, 44 and some showers, also showers at Cold Bay, and 37. Bethel checking in at 38 degrees, but boy, is it chilly today in Nome, 17 degrees for their high, while Barrow had 2 degrees, and Fort Yukon looking at lots of sunshine and 34 degrees. To the lower 48 we go. More showers moving across the Pacific Northwest, staying up to the north because that's where the jet stream is at. Nothing going on down across the Central Plains. In fact, the snow they had yesterday is melting rapidly in the Denver area. The system that brought that snow is moving really fast across the eastern sections of the country. A few showers and thunderstorms along this boundary here, and that's about it. What lies ahead? Well, again, tonight with that boundary, it could kick up some severe weather possible. In fact, damaging winds, isolated tornadoes, and torrential downpours are possible in that red shaded area. And the overall outlook is calling for not much change in through the weekend. Time once again for our kids' weather, and tonight in kids' weather we're going to Northern Lights Academy, but this time to hear from what the teacher has to say about hailstorms.
Hello, I'm Miss Janice at Northern Lights Academy, and here we have a weather fact that we would like to share with you. Boys, did you know that Cheyenne, Wyoming is recognized as the hail capital of the United States? They average 10 hailstorms in a year. Wow.
But Tulsa, Oklahoma has the most damaging hailstorms, and that is based on the dollar value that is applied every year. Again, thanks to Mount McKinley Bank for sponsoring our kids' weather. And as far as tomorrow night, well, did you know the city that has the most hail? We just talked about that. Let's talk about who we're going to be talking to next week. We'll be looking at or talking with the kids from Badger Road Elementary School. Okay, here's what's going on in our forecast for tomorrow, looking at mostly cloudy skies for Barrow, light snow in Nome, and some flurries for the Fort Yukon area. Here in the interior, we're looking at increasing clouds for Fairbanks and Delta Junction, mostly sunny skies for Healy. Over southeast Alaska, it looks like the rain is going to continue. Rain likely at Juneau with scattered showers for Ketchikan. While over to the southern sections, mixed showers at Cold Bay, scattered showers for Kodiak, and snow showers in the Bethel region. And over the south central sections, showers in Anchorage, rain and snow at Homer, and 2 to 4 inches of snow expected in the Valdez area. And our forecast for tonight, well, it went by you really fast, but I will tell you right now, mostly clear skies, looking at a temperature tonight about 12 degrees. Tomorrow's forecast, cloudy skies with more unusually mild temperatures, 41 degrees for the high. And the 5-day outlook, as you can see, more showers expected on Saturday. Sunday, just an off chance of a little light shower activity, 43 degrees for the high, and 44 degrees after that, with temperatures warming up to really near high temperatures of 48 degrees. That'll be happening on Tuesday, and 46 degrees on Wednesday, with overnight lows around 20 degrees. So we are definitely in a springtime pattern. Here's our photograph for tonight. I guess we're not going to see. Where'd that photograph go? I guess it's gone. Well, I will share it with you at 11 o'clock. Evidently, we had some computer problems, but it's a beautiful photograph of another aurora shot, and we will be hoping you'll come back at 11 o'clock and catch that with us.
Definitely, I'll check that out. That's
Yeah.
good.
I'll miss it. I'll miss it.
You have DVR. You can take
Yes,
it.
you do.
Oh, yeah.
Watch us at 11.
I
Do.
can just watch it live.
All right, very good. And Mike, that's a good warning to get the fluids in your car because mine doesn't work on my car.
Oh,
Yeah, I carry a
yeah.
bottle of Windex around.
it's pretty
with me.
sloppy, that's for sure.
That's true.
Yeah.
All right, thanks, Mike. That will wrap up this edition of the Fairbanks Evening News. We are glad you could join us.
Tonight at NBC Nightly News, in a new study, the average of deadly heart attacks is actually getting younger. That's up next with Lester Holt.
Join us here 6 days a week at 6 and 11 or online anytime at webcenter11.com.
All right, from all of us here at the News Center, have a great night. We'll see you at 11 for the Aurora.
That's right. Good
Good
night.
night.